In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a half kneeling lat pull down with a resistance band. So firstly, what you need, one is a resistance band. Two, you want something that you can put underneath your knee. So for example, a pillow or alternatively a mat like I'm using. And you need something high that you can anchor the band around, which is a fixed object. So you absolutely don't want to be doing this exercise and having the band ping onto your face as you're doing the exercise. So make sure you're putting the band around something that's not going to move. Now I just want to show you the exercise with me facing away and then show you how I would do it in terms of the tutorial, because the shoulder blades are really important in this exercise. So when I'm in that nice high position where I've got my arms up, what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to bring my shoulder blades not only together, so in retraction, but also down as hard as I can whilst keeping my elbows into my sides. So that looks like this. I'm bringing the band, pulling it down. I'm really trying to squeeze my shoulder blades and depress them at the same time. Now the half kneeling position, you would know you're in the right position because you'd have a right angle at the knee of the back leg and at the knee of your forwards front leg as well. Doesn't matter which side you start off with first, because you should be doing sets that incorporate one set being right side, second set being left side first as well. So you want to make sure you do even on both sides. Now I'm going to take each end here of the resistance band. I'm looking neutral, so I'm looking straight in front of me. Arms are completely locked out. Core and glutes engaged. I'm going to pull the band down, trying to keep my core and glutes completely contracted as I'm doing my repetitions. I'll be breathing in on the way down and out on the way up. Make sure you're not cheating by using your lower back. Think of this half kneeling position as being a set position. We don't want to move from it. The only thing that's moving is those elbows in the direction of the rib cage. And of course, when you're doing the exercise, make sure you're doing it nice and slowly and pausing at the bottom of the movement. Once you've done your first set for your desired amount of repetitions, remember to switch the sides over, and that is how you do a half kneeling lat pull down with a resistance band.